Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we'll be unboxing the XTRA Muse vlogging camera. So I got this from Amazon on sale for $419, $419 on sale from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this camera out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the XTRA Muse vlogging camera. Here is the presentation and the camera itself. This is from XTRA, also known as DJI. This is basically a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 rebranded as XTRA to bypass the US tariffs. So basically that is what it is. So let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. Here it says XTRA. Let's go ahead and take a look on this side of the box, which talks about the features of this camera. So this has a portable, sleek design. It has a 4K brilliance in your hand. This has smart tracking abilities. This has a splendid low light performance. This has a 3-axis stabilization, and you can also record in vertical or horizontal mode. So those are the main features about this camera. And yeah, so with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here's the back side of the box, which basically has a screenshot, and here's what you will get in the box: the camera itself, a carrying bag, a 1/4 inch handle, a lanyard, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. So pretty basic presentation from XTRA. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take out our X-Acto knife out, what I have here, and finally unbox this thing. So let's go ahead and make an incision on the top part of the box. I'm super excited to try out the XTRA Muse action camera. It's basically a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've been looking for this type of camera, but can't seem to convince myself at a higher price point from DJI. So for $419, this camera from XTRA will basically be it. So let's go ahead and pull out our camera. Nothing else inside of the box. So basically, XTRA is a DJI Spinoff branding here in the US market. Basically, it's to bypass US tariff and regulation. Here's the quick start guide. So basically, all the features and the functions that you need to know on this camera. Here it talks about how to use your micro SD card, how you would charge it, how you would take the shot using the handle, safety guideline, and all the legal information. And yeah, so that is the quick start guide. And let's go ahead and take a look at this pouch. Let's go ahead and remove this packaging and see what we have here. So XTRA was able to sell this at a lower price than DJI due to the tariffs. So this is a good carrying pouch. Really like the quality here. It also includes a handle. And let's go ahead and unzip this and see what we have inside. Here we have our accessories that comes with the camera. Here's the 1/4 inch threaded handle. Here we have our lanyard and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Really like how this buttons up. And here is the XTRA Muse pocket camera. super excited to see what this is. So let's go ahead and check out our handle. At first I thought it was a small external battery, but you can also buy an external battery such as like this and hook it up to your camera. This gives you a 1/4 inch thread. You want to stick this up on a tripod, mount this up on a tripod. Here we have our lanyard, so this comes in handy. And here we have our USB-C to USB-C cable. So this is the cable that you would charge your XTRA Muse Pocket camera. And let's go ahead and take a look at the camera itself. So here's the XTRA Muse camera. Here you have your XTRA Muse branding. Really love the build quality, which is similar, which is exact same copy of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's go ahead and remove the screen protector. Here you have this flip screen and your joystick and your record button. Here are the sides of the camera. And here's the 3-axis gimbal and the camera itself. And yeah, so on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it is all black, while the rotating screen and the camera axis is in metallic color. So let's go ahead and set this up, English language. And with that being said, let's go ahead and test this camera out. So if you scroll up, you can access your resolution settings. Since we don't have a micro SD card, this is where you would access your media. Swipe from the right to access in an advanced settings, and swipe down to access your quick actions settings. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take this camera outside for the test of the XTRA Muse vlogging camera. So we are outside in Pasadena. Here's the XTRA Muse, and let's go ahead and turn this on and see what the video quality is like. So we are here at the Pasadena City Hall in Pasadena, California, and here is the video quality from the XTRA Muse. If I push the joystick button 3 times, you'll see the selfie of me. Hello there. And let's go ahead and see what we have inside here at the Pasadena City Hall. So here is the Pasadena City Hall with the Christmas decorations here. Let's go ahead and do a walking tour of the Pasadena City Hall. Here you can see myself. And if I tap 3 times, here's the Christmas tree. So this is a beautiful city hall here in Pasadena. Trying to get used to the controls. And here is the water fountain. So we are at the Irvine Spectrum in Irvine, California with the XTRA Muse. You have the ability on this camera to zoom in and zoom out. And here's the video quality at night. And here is myself. And yeah, so that is the XTRA Muse. So that will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of the XTRA Muse. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this camera. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I'll definitely see you on the next one.